5 sound effects that every filmmaker needs to know. First, we have the whoosh, which is perfect for transitions and fast movements. Then we have some hits. This is perfect for impacts and punchy moments. Then we have risers, which help create buildup and tension in scenes. Then we have the opposite, which are downers. These help create a suspenseful break in your scenes, or if things get a little awkward. And last but not least, we have drones. Drones can go on for a very long time and help create a lot more atmosphere for your films. So if you guys want awesome sound effects too for your videos, then check out Artlist, because that's where I've been getting all of mine.